Air pressure. Objective: to learn about air pressure. Air has pressure. We cannot feel this pressure when standing on the Earth's surface. But there's a thin layer of air that weighs down on the Earth's surface and also exerts an enormous amount of pressure on us. Air pressure is caused due to the constant bombardment of the moving air molecules on the surface of the body. In fact, air pressure pushes in from all directions. Why then can we not feel the effect of air pressure? This is so because the fluids inside our body exert as much pressure in an outward direction as the air outside exerts pressure on us. The balance thus created prevents us from feeling the pressure. If this natural pressure were not present within our bodies, the pressure of the air that exists outside our bodies would crush us to death. Here's an activity to show that atmospheric pressure acts equally in all directions. Take a tin can and pour some boiling hot water into it. Wait for 2 minutes to let the steam out. And then screw the cap tightly in place. Now, place the can in a trough and pour some ice-cold water on it. We see that the can gets crushed. Why did this happen? Since the steam had expelled most of the air from inside the can, and since the steam inside the can had also been condensed, there is very little air inside the can. The atmospheric pressure acting on the can from the outside is much larger than the air pressure inside it, and this is what causes the can to get crushed. As we go to higher altitudes, like the top of mountains, the air becomes thinner and the atmospheric pressure decreases. We experience air pressure in our daily activities too. Rubber suction caps are commonly used for hanging clothes and other things at home. When the suction cap is pressed against the wall, most of the air gets squeezed out from under the suction cap. This causes a difference in the pressure in the atmosphere and the trapped space under the rubber suction cap. The atmospheric pressure outside the rubber suction cap is higher, and so holds the rubber suction cap firmly against the wall. Again, it's air pressure that causes trees to sway and makes riding a bicycle against the wind difficult. To summarize, atmospheric pressure is the pressure exerted by air. Atmospheric pressure is exerted equally in all directions. Atmospheric pressure reduces with an increase in altitude.